Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today, hey, we're making that cornbread dressing. You know, it's Thanksgiving, it's the holidays, you can't have a dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, without that cornbread dressing. So we're gonna get that recipe done, we're gonna go down to the workstation and get this thing on your table. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, go ahead and get you about 2 stalks of celery. You want to get that chopped up. Then you're going to get your onion, and then you're going to chop that also. Once you do that, you're going to throw that in the pan with about 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to saute that onion and that celery. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that both are soft, and then, man, get you some cornbread that's already made. So I just went quick and easy, man, got Jiffy Mix. However, I do got a recipe for a sweet cornbread, man. You always want to use sweet cornbread, at least that's for me, and get that thing all crushed up right. Next, what you want to do is get you some toast, man. You cannot leave that toast out. This is going to give you a little extra flavor in that cornbread stuffing. Next, man, take those sauteed onions and celery, and then you just placing that in the mixture. And now we're going to go to the seasonings, man. It's all about building flavor. You got that sage there, man. You got to go with that sage, man. A little secret weapon for dressing. Can't go wrong with sage, man. I cannot express that enough. Then we got black pepper, man. I love that crushed black pepper, and that's just gonna give you that hint of, you know, taste, man. You just building flavors. All right, so next, man, you want to get your egg, and man, you see that slow motion right there, so cool. Get your egg, man. And then next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some butter, some melted butter, and then we're gonna go in there with some milk, right? We're gonna pour that milk in there, and then, you know, that's about a quarter of a cup of milk. And then we got, you know, that chicken broth. So you gotta make sure you got that chicken broth, and that's key for some cornbread dressing, man. Get that thing all mixed up, and as you can see, man, that butter started to solidify just a little bit. Hey, no worries, man, because we putting it all in here. Now you just want to make sure that your dressing mix is moist, man. You gotta have some moist dressing. Next, man, get you some butter, man, and then butter that pan that you're gonna be putting that thing in, so it becomes a non-stick surface for you. And then you just adding that dressing in that pan, man, as you can see me doing here. And then you already know you got to flatten that top out, man. Just make sure, you know, that dressing is nice and flat, so when you put it in that oven, man, it's gonna cook, you know, evenly. Now you see it right here, man. That's that tabletop oven that, you know, I did the unboxing and review on my last video, and it just gives a nice even cook, man. I love it. French door. So again, man, if you like looking while you cooking, hey, this is a definite option for you, man. You can look and cook at the same time. All right, so we got that thing in the oven. We got that thing at 375, right? So we're looking for a golden brown color. You already know the story, man. You want those things, your dish is golden brown. When it's golden brown, man, and you got it on the right temperature, you know it's done. So there you have it. You got your Thanksgiving dressing, man. What's dressing without that nice gravy, man? So you gotta have that gravy, and we're gonna get this thing a taste, man. Ooh, and that's absolutely delicious, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get another bite of that. Cheers. Now it's time to put this thing on the table, and you already know, man, let them people smash into that dressing. Hey, if you new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, and you already know what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to smash into this dressing. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.